Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to manage your small business. Since pandemic has surged, dramatic increase in people doing businesses from home and other small businesses, it's really difficult to manage the business information and the client details on registers. So I have designed an access solution for your small businesses. And today I will tell you that how you all can benefit from this access solution. Instead of wasting your time on energy and your expenditure on registers and other stuff, you're going to save your time, you're going to save your money, and you're going to save your energy with this solution. So, let's begin. This is a financial management ERP, and this is designed for a small business, and I'm going to demonstrate to you about its various roles. If you talk about a business, the basic functions that a business performs is recording a client details and recording whatever expenditures you do. So I have designed a solution keeping in mind the vendor management as well as the customer management. Here is the first function that allows you to collect data. That data is related to your clients and that data is related to your vendors as well. So with just a click of a button, this is how the dashboard looks like. This is the dashboard, and you can perform 4 important functions. You can collect your clients' data, you can collect your vendors' data, you can do invoicing, you can manage your payables, you can manage your receivables, and you can also record the details for fixed assets. We'll take an example of an online bakery. For instance, if you are owning a bakery, what sort of data would you collect? You'll collect your client's data. The data would be related to the people who will order cakes or cupcakes from you. So here, if you see, when I click client's report, here came the client report. The first name, the last name, the address, the city, the amount billed, and the payment method. And here you can enter client records. First, for instance, if you have to enter a new record, you're going to just enter the new ID. 10 IDs are filled up. You're going to start with 11. Okay. And now you're going to enter the name, the last name, the company name. If you wanted to add, if you don't want to add, you can skip it. And here you can actually enter the details of the client. And here you can enter vendor's report. If you shop your necessities from Imtiaz supermarket or from Nahid supermarket, you can actually enter the record here. Business, when you are doing a business, you need to manage it really well so that you know where are you standing. Just a rough mental maths is not enough to manage your business. The second thing which you can do with this ERP solution is you can do your invoicing. You can generate an invoice. For instance, if you have you have booked an order from a customer, you can just enter the necessary details, and then you can generate an invoice. This is how the invoice looks like. You can share it with the customer, and the customer knows. This is how a systematic business works. The customer can trust you that, oh wow, I'm ordering from such a renowned or such a good small business. So here you can generate an invoice. You can also see the invoicing report. And then you can also manage your fixed assets and payables and receivables. How you're going to do that? For fixed assets management, for instance, if you're owning a bakery. Okay, for instance, if you're owning a bakery and if you have bought a microwave oven or if you have bought a stove, you're obviously going to record its charges, its cost, and whatever you are going to incur for its maintenance. Because that's what a business do. A business records its investment, a business records its cost in order to see how much profit it's getting. So this would be helpful for you to manage your fixed assets. Here you can actually enter fixed assets details from where you purchased, the asset name, the purchasing cost, and if you're going to depreciate it. I know you're not going to depreciate it, but if you are going to depreciate, that would help you a lot. Okay, and then it's the last thing is the payables and receivables. For instance, if you have your customer has ordered around 10,000 worth cake from you, and he or she said that they'll pay you in installments, or if there is a big order, say 50,000, and they say they'll pay you in installments, and you have agreed, because this is the norm, the business operates on payables and receivables, you will definitely need to record it somewhere so that you know from whom you are going to receive the details and from whom you have to pay. So this form and this report would help you do that. And then with the click of a dashboard, this all things cancel and you're back to the dashboard. So this is how you can manage your small business really efficiently. One thing that I would like to tell you all, that you can easily customize this ERP solution according to your business nature. For instance, if you own an online bookstore, I can customize the details for you. And if you own a hardware shop, or if you own another shop and you want to do the management yourself, I can customize the options for you. So that's it. With the close application, the application gets closed and you're back to the mode. So this is how it is, and this is how it works. And thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in getting this ERP solution, there is a link in the description. Please click on that and order this ERP solution at really affordable prices. This is available in MS Access format, and you can easily share these details with anyone via email, and you can easily manage it cost effectively. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.